Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, organic spice market size was valued at $40.1 billion in 2023 and is estimated to exhibit 8.2% CAGR between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $81.4 billion valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Growing demand for natural and organic ingredients in the food industry and rising consumer concern towards eating healthy food are some of the major industry growth drivers. The chili segment will reach $11.4 billion by 2032, exhibiting over 10.1% CAGR over the projection period. The culinary segment held 26.16% of the organic spice market share in 2023's, as this GMI report. Regionally, Asia-Pacific organic spice market will surpass $38.5 billion by 2032. Key players in the organic spice market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.